Welcome back. Today on my channel, I will be making this beautiful homemade filleted fish. If you'd like to see how I put it together, just hang in here. Thank you.
I'll be able to cook it all in one shot. That was the plan.
Making some filleted fish. Well, okay, guys, and we're going to start right now.
Today's put it on this little paper towel. I'm gonna do this very quickly. Okay, so here we go. We got the filleted fish, and we got of course the flour. I didn't have any cornbread. I'd rather have a little cornbread mixture, but I didn't have it. I rather had a mixture of cornbread and flour, equal amounts, but I didn't have that. Okay, and so I got the already did the, as you can see here, the eggs. I already beat them up, and these are the only ingredients I'm putting in this particular filleted fish: the Old Bay seasoning and black pepper and dairy salt and garlic powder and onion powder. And yes, and that's all I'm going to put in here. And I'm going to go ahead and quickly go ahead and get this ready. Okay, so I went ahead and seasoned it. Alrighty, and then we're going to get ready and batter it. I normally would batter it first, but I was ahead of myself. I had to hurry up and get it ready, and I did it in a... Okay, so this is how I'm going to go ahead and do it. I got my egg batter. I'm just going to batter the one side, which is what I just did. And then from there, we're going to go head on into the flour mixture. I'm just going to batter the one side with the flour, with the, that, okay? Normally we would batter it, and, do that and then do this. But guys, I'm in a rush. I'm in a rush because...
Well, okay, guys, this is 4 times fast speed. I'm speeding the video up because I don't want the video to be too long. So we're going to just speed it up, just this little section right here. And then later, and probably in another section, I will also fast forward it. And speed it up a little bit just so you guys won't have to be, using too much of your valuable time. Thank you for all things.
The flour mixture, the last piece. Okay, so we got all this squared away, guys. All right, so we're going to go over here to the... Okay, guys, so I went ahead and seasoned the other side of the filleted fish. Okay. Well, okay, guys, so my pan is ready to receive my fish. So we're just going to go ahead and pick it up. I'm going to use my hand and put it in. Ready? Here we go. Okay. Go ahead and put it in like that. I got plenty of grease, so I'm good for it. I'll be able to cook it all in one shot. That was the plan. A lot of fish in here, so I have to keep an eye on it. Alright, guys, so we got that in. We got the filleted fish in there. Filleting. I may turn the pan down just a little teeny bit. We'll see. As you can see, here's the filleted fish. Alrighty. And that's what we have for dinner. Okay, guys, looks like our filleted fish is ready. That looks good, guys. That really looks good. Alrighty, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at the food. That's the filleted fish. This looks delicious, and I know it's going to taste delicious. Like I said, guys, so here it is. My beautiful filleted fish for dinner. Alrighty, guys. Okay, guys, so here I am. I just cooked another pan of filleted fish, deep fried. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and get ready and fix my plate now. Alright, guys. It's me, Nana. Beautiful homemade filleted fish. Deep fried filleted fish. Alrighty. Okay, guys, so here's my plate. Beautiful homemade filleted fish. Deep fried in the deep frying pan. Pot, I should say. Yes, so this is my meal for this evening, and Pop's meal for this evening as well, right here. Alrighty, thank you for watching.
Again, thanks for watching Bonnie B. Hawkins Creative TV. Be sure to, if you would like to, like, share, subscribe, and comment.